I heard you want to remove your Instagram account from your account center, and that's why I'm here. I'm gonna show you exactly how can you do that. Just follow carefully with me. First, we need to open your Instagram app and make sure you are logged in to your Instagram account. Then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, right there. Now tap on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. This menu will pop up from the bottom. Tap on settings and privacy at the very top. Now tap on account center right there. Wait for it to load up completely, and then once it does, you need to tap on accounts right under account settings right here. Wait for accounts to load up and choose the Instagram account that you want to remove from account center. Just tap on remove next to it, then tap on remove account at the top. Now all you need to do is to tap and continue, and that's basically the last step. Your account will be removed from account center. Of course, you can always add accounts by tapping on accounts again, then tap on add accounts at the top, and you can do it from there. And that is it for this video, guys. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.